Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the QT RTG in Astroneer. This is going to be especially useful for powering up your character with some energy. So for example, that you can power your portable oxygenator or any other kind of stuff like the drill mods. So to begin, first of all, QT RTG can only be found as rewards from exodynamics or rarely found in Rex. So this means that on the starting platform, where you can see the quests and missions that you need to complete, this platform right here, inside of here you choose a quest which is going to give you reward as the QT RTG. For example, this one, you'll complete whatever it is asking you to, and it is going to give you the QT RTG. This is the only option that is a easy and fast option to gain it, and the other one is, as I said, can be found inside of Rex, but that is really rare. So this is pretty much all. How to get it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.